In this short video, I'm going to show you how to unhide all the columns and all the rows in an Excel worksheet that have been hidden previously. So I have an example right here. If you look closely, you can see that some columns are missing over here, some rows are missing as well, and I'm going to show you two methods that you could use to unhide all the missing rows and columns in your worksheets. First, I'm going to start with unhiding columns. I'm going to go to column A. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to press Ctrl, then I'm going to press Shift, and then I'm going to press the right arrow 2 times. It has selected all the columns in my worksheet. And next, I'm going to go to whatever column I prefer and I'm going to hover over it. And you can see when I do that, the column background color changes to a slightly darker color. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to select Unhide. And when I do that, all the columns in the worksheet have been made visible. I'm going to repeat exactly the same process for the rows. I'm selecting the first row. I'm hitting Ctrl and Shift. I'm keeping Ctrl and Shift pressed, and I press on the down arrow 1 time and 2 times. And now all my rows in the worksheet have been selected. So I'm going to go to one row, I'm going to hover over it, you see the color changes. I'm going to right click and I'm going to press Unhide. And just like that, all my data is now visible. Okay, this is the first method. This is a shorter and quicker method that I prefer and I use. But let me show you another one. I'm going to Ctrl Z 2 times and now all my data has been hidden back as it was initially. Now, just like I did previously, I'm selecting all the columns that I would like to unhide, and I'm going to Home, I'm going to Cells, and over here I have the Format option. I'm going to click on it, and then we have the Visibility group over here. So I'm going to hover on Hide and Unhide, and you can see I can use the Unhide Columns option right here. I'm going to click on it, and just like that, everything has been unhidden. For the rows, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to Home, Format, and I'm going to use Unhide Rows. And when I click on it, the rows have been unhidden. Okay, that's it for this video. If you found it useful, please hit the like button. And if you have any type of questions, please leave them in the comments below.